the same, and then it's not a.
Yeah,
not
that'd be nice because these last couple weeks are pretty crazy.
Yeah. It's becoming insane. I'm ready for the semester to be over.
Oh yeah, me too. There's so much. Yeah.
I'm in a group meeting. Go away.
Oh.
Later.
And you're getting married, right?
Yeah, I'm getting married on August 23rd. So.
Oh my goodness. It's
Yeah.
like a month and a half.
Yeah. 43 days.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been dating? Or each other?
It's been about. We've known each other for about a year. We've been dating for about like 8 months now.
Cool.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
We're ready.
Yeah.
We've been doing long distance this whole semester, so it sucks.
Oh, I totally. Me and my husband dated for like 2.5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Like more than half of that was long distance. So
Yeah.
I feel your pain.
It's terrible.
First. But anyways, it's such an awesome day to get married.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I'm wondering if Kareen has like dropped the class or something.
I don't know. I was wondering the same thing. Has she emailed you at all? I didn't even email her and see where she was last time. I figured she'd tell us, but then she didn't.
Well, I know she was struggling in the class already, so I'm wondering if maybe she just like gave up at this point because she knew she was going to fail or something.
Mm-hmm.
Because, yeah.
Okay. Because she hasn't. Because usually she at least like messages us and say, "Hey, I'm not gonna be there."
Yeah.
I'll just email her real quick.
Yeah, I'm barely hanging on in this class too. I have to pass this next test or I'm done for.
No, I think like everybody is. Like, I was looking at the class statistics, and I think like half the classes.
Yeah, isn't it like a 68% or something is the class average right now?
Yeah.
It's pretty low.
Yeah. It's pretty bad.
I think you should curve the class. Help some people out.
Right?
If I knew he was curving the class, I wouldn't be scared at all. But right now, I'm just like,
Yeah.
it's all coming down to this last test.
Right. Yeah. Cool. Well, let's just start.
Yeah.
So for the first 5 questions, it's like a. It's just that. What's it called? It's that equation. Sorry. I'm so tired, so I might not make so much sense to it.
You're fine.
My baby wakes up like every 3 hours.
How old's your baby?
He's almost 5 months,
5 months.
which, you know, it's normal for him to still be waking up. But
Yeah. But still rough.
yeah. But this time I'm like, okay. Like I was fine the first few months. I was like, oh, this is easy. But now I'm like, what now? 5 months of not sleeping through the night.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay, so I already did 3 and 4. The first number is the y-intercept, and the second number is the slope.
So it's 2.0 for the number 3 and 1.5 for number 2 or number 4.
And then number 5, all we do is put that x in the equation and solve. So it should be really easy.
Oh, yeah. That's
I guess I should turn the light on.
Did you get 7?
I got 1. It's a -3. Did you see that?
Oh, I didn't. Okay. No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it'd be 1. That's tricky.
You can like really see it.
Yeah. Okay. Make a scatter plot of the mass self-sufficient data. 3 data shape introduced in the reading. Which shape best describes this data?
Okay, those shape names were not in the
The reading.
I don't know if it's in the.
I figure we'll know when we see it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. Okay. What's it called? Math efficiency. Do you have the? Do you need the link to the data?
No, I got it. I think so. It's just going super slow opening.
So apparently 3 people, Alexis Jones and Joe something have all said no to our event. So they're not going to join us tonight.
So for these ones, you do the analyze and linear regression, right?
We're just doing a scatter plot.
Okay.
You go graphs, legacy dialog scatter / dot. But we have to figure out which coefficient is dependent on one. Like which goes on the x and which goes on the y.
Yeah.
So we basically have to figure out which one's the explanatory variable and which one's the response. So one of them, the explanatory is an independent variable and the response is dependent. So like the explanatory is what explains. Yeah, I forgot how to say that. Okay, so the independent variable is predicting the dependent. We're using so I don't really tell you. I think that the score is the independent, which is X. And the confidence rating is the Y.
Okay.
But that's really confusing. You don't really see it.
Yeah, I was looking for it too. I couldn't find anything.
You don't really see it in a clear way.
It kind of looks hot dog.
What?
It looks hot dog shaped when we do that.
I'm going to share my screen. Is this what yours look like?
Just a sec, let me get back to here. Yep, that's what mine look like.
Okay.
And so in the reading, it actually does show what the hot dog and banana and
Oh, it does?
yeah, it's on 3 point. I just lost it. It's right under section 3, above 3.1.
Oh. Oh, yeah. It's hot dog. That's why they did not talk about that in the video.
Okay.
Oh, the poor manatee. Well, let's go with hot dog.
What was that?
Some hot dog.
Hot dog.
Okay. Based on the shape of the scatter plot you produced in question 6, what can you see about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression for the model of PC? I would guess it's appropriate, right? That's what it says in that place in the.
Yeah.
So C.
Yep. Okay. How many observations are in the math self-efficiency data?
What does that mean?
I was just hoping you knew that because.
Like how many? Like how many people? When there's 9, because that's how many people answer the questions. I don't know. We can do the.
Yeah.
The next question.
I would guess 139, but I don't really know.
Yeah. Let's just do things for fun. Regression. Linear. What did we say was the dependent?
I
The school, the.
think we said the score. No, we said confidence.
Right. I don't really see what else it would be.
Yeah.
How many observations? Yeah, that's just 139.
Yeah. Okay. Questions 10 to use the math self-sufficiency data to answer these questions. Be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. What is the y-intercept?
Yeah, that's what we did. Woo! The y-intercept. Oh. Okay, so now I know how to do this. Okay, so you could do analyze, regression, linear.
What do you need to click on that? Because sometimes he tells us to click on other stuff.
What?
Do we have to click on anything else besides that and just put confidence, rating, mean, and dependent, and score and independent?
I think that's all you do.
Okay. Because I just know some of this stuff he makes us like click other stuff to make it work perfectly.
Yeah, I think that's. Okay. So the answers in the coefficients table, it's in under B, that standardized coefficients, and then B. The first number, 1.29.
6. Okay. So that one's Y?
I have it. Yes, that's the y-intercept. And the one below it is the slope. That's number 10.
Okay.
Did you get 0.296 and then 0.042?
Yep. Alright, what is the predicted value of Y when x equals 4?
So for this one, you put that in the table, and then it'll. So you put 4 in the complements place,
Where do you put it at?
and you put it in the Here, I'm going to show you. I'm much better at showing than explaining. So you put it in this column. Right here.
Okay. And then just redo it.
Yeah. Oh wait, and then when you're at this point, you go to save, and you click on unstandardized.
Okay.
And then it comes, and oh yeah, and then it just pops up. Oh, it's a pop-up. Maybe it's in the wrong. It's not work. That should work. Oh. Maybe we need to put in the end. This should have popped up right here.
Well,
That's all he did. Yeah, that's all. I just watched the video again, and that's the exact one.
Yeah, mine didn't work either. Just, okay, so we have to put it under score.
Really?
If you put it under score, it works.
Doesn't make sense though. It's not. Who gets 4 as a score, you know? Maybe we need to switch the columns.
But if you put 4, you get 1.4625. Did we put the variables wrong? Maybe?
No, because it says in that, like above number 9, it says make sure to use confidence for the confidence data as the explanatory variable, and the score as the responsive. And explanatory is X, and the score is Y. So X is confidence. So that doesn't make sense here. Because these are all coming out as these.
If you switch the data, like if you put, just like, if you make it the dependent score dependent and then independent confidence rating mean, then you get a different answer too. You get 69.46935. So. So it definitely has to be under the independent one. So maybe we did it backwards of what was independent and what was dependent.
But doesn't it say it like right there in the question? It says confidence. Unless I got vowels mixed up. Independent. No. No, that's not. Oh, I'm still sharing my screen.
Yeah, the only thing I can think of is that maybe, I don't know.
Is it telling me? Like, is it telling me something wrong?
Because we might have done like, maybe we did, what number was it? Maybe we did numbers 9 and 10 wrong, and of what the, or no.
I'm just confused because it says it right there in the quiz that, like, which one should be which, and we're using what he tells us to do.
Yeah, and the only way to do that one is switching what's dependent and what's independent.
Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to do that because that's the only one that makes sense. So what?
So when I switched it to under the confidence rating mean, I got 69.46935.
Okay, that makes the most sense.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
69 point what?
46935.
I guess we should put all that in since it says it should be exact.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guess we'll find out. Okay.
I don't know what else to do.
Yeah.
But okay, cool. Let's just 12. The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? So we put 6 instead of 4.
I guess so.
That's my guess. So we're doing the score and the dependent then?
Yeah. And I got 94.85900.
94.859?
Yep.
That's thinking for me right now. Isn't 13 and 14 just 1?
I don't know. I was trying to figure out.
Huh? What is it? Put it in the screen.
Yeah, it's 1 for both. I submitted it.
Oh, okay.
So we missed 2. We're 9 and 10.
Well, I bet they're switched.
Yeah, I think that's all we did wrong was switch that, because once we switched it later on. Oh well.
Well, yeah. Yeah, that's just retarded because I swear that's exactly what you told us in the video, you know?
Alright.
I'm sorry. Okay. So are we doing something in this week for
Yeah, we gotta turn in the make inference.
did you do
I forgot to do describe the data. I'll do it tonight though, just to get it done.
I can do
Okay.
the
Yeah.
I can do the make inference this week.
Okay, and I'll do the describe the data. It's not
Just
too hard. I just make a lot.
Just send me what you do.
Okay,
In case
do that.
you need it for this stuff.
Hopefully it doesn't mark us off too much for not having it turned in on time.
Yeah.
I'm just ready for this to be done.
Yeah, me too.
All right, Emily. Well, you have a good night, and I will see you on Tuesday.
Okay, thanks.
All right, bye.